Oh.
Jackson! What the hell?
I just got a bit peckish.
It's the third time this month. Can't you read the sign?
Oh, sorry, Prue. Oh, it just happened.
Yeah, like the fundraiser lady. And the brownies just happened. Who was it this time, the meter man?
No, actually, his name was Daniel.
I don't want to hear it.
Oh.
You're fucked. I'm sorry, but you brought this on yourself.
Guys, what's happening?
House meeting. Nash, Gordon, get your asses in here.
Yeah, I'm coming.
Deck. So what's all this about then?
Let me guess. Who's Jackson done this time?
I don't know. Tinker, tailor, candlestick maker. I mean, it's bad enough that he stays awake all day and sleeps all night while the rest of us have to work. I mean, I can deal with that. But what I can't deal with is you continually jeopardising our livelihoods by leaving a trail of bodies to our door.
Listen, I can...
Tasty though, we don't have to pay. Okay.
No, I can accept that in the past I may have been out of order. But this time it wasn't my fault.
Yeah, right, this will be
Yeah,
good.
listen, do you want to hear my side of the story? Or would you prefer to stick a stake through my bleeding heart right this very
Look.
instant?
Just let him talk.
I was waiting on a delivery from eBay. That's why I let him in. His name was Daniel Sagan and he was here on behalf of Maurice Blanchot, the loan shark.
A loan shark.
Yeah, that's right. Apparently he'd lent Goody Two-Shoes here, Gordon, $6,000 at 27% interest.
Holy fuck.
Yeah, you know, that was 3 weeks ago. Now Danny boy's all up in my shit, threatening to bite my face and take the plasma telly if Maurice doesn't get his money today.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Heavy, man.
Yeah. There was no way I was going to get rid of him. So I did the only thing that I could do.
Lights out, Paris.
Yeah, and well, after that I got a bit peckish and I figured, well, waste not, want not.
So how was he?
A bit too much garlic and...
Shut up. Gordon, is this true?
Yeah. Things got a little bit out of hand at the casino. And I figured since they were just French, they'd be a light touch.
Jesus, you're an idiot. I guess I have to clean up this mess. Can you stick to what you're good at and please just stay away from the tables, okay?
Okay, bro. I'm really sorry. From now on, you call the shots.
And you? Look, I suppose you did what you had to, but please stop eating people.
Okay, I'll try.
Besides, it spoils your appetite.
I know. By the way, what's for dinner?
Damn it, Gordon, you got another vegan.
Don't bust my balls. The only people that apply for the clinical trials are uni students, and half of them are hippies. Do you want to keep a low profile or not?
It's alright for you. I've got a whole night of work ahead of me. If I don't get my iron, I'm going to be knackered by the end of my shift. Remember what happened last time?
Well, that's why we got you the morph suit, Nash.
Gay food.
Whatever. I'm going to work.
Hey, don't forget your suit, you nugget.
Screw you, hippie.
I better get Sleeping Beauty back to the lab before she regains consciousness. Hey, T-Rock, give us a hand.
I suppose we better go visit those loan sharks before I hit the palms.
Have a good night, guys. Maybe I'll see you in the morning, huh? And T-Rock, stay away from those alcoholics. They're bad for your liver.
Bite me, man.
Yeah.